I'll be doing a tutorial on Converse nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You need these polishes. We're going to start off by doing a French tip on all the toes except for the big toe, and then going back and putting black right underneath that. Now we're going to paint the big toenail black. Now we're going to add white to the top of the big toe and do the shoelaces. Don't forget to check out the cards at the top of the screen and the end screens at the end of the video. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.